Alright, so this video got 11.4 million views on TikTok, and I was able to create this video with the help of just this one master prompt and without doing all the complex steps. So today I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method how you can create this video and other with the help of just this one master prompt. Like, it will do everything for you. It will be able to generate story, images, videos, SEO, titles, and also thumbnail as well. So everything you'd be able to do with the help of just this one prompt. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and simply copy this whole master prompt with you, and then the next thing you need to do is you need to go to Google Gemini. Start by simply pasting your prompt, the master prompt, everything right over here, and then simply click on submit. Okay, and after that, it's going to go ahead and start its phase one, which is story concepts and selection. So it's going to give you like 2 to 3 story concepts to choose from. So first one, let's just say we have is the secret formula heist. The second one we have is a block box, Patrick's Cold corporate takeover. Then we have Sunday's Block Kings and Rent Trap. Okay, and then it's gonna ask for you the next step, like please select one concept. Let's just say if you are not okay with any of the concept, you can always ask Google Gemini to give you more concept. But let's just say from here, I'm very much liking the concept 2. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna click concept 2, and then it's gonna start its phase 2, which is story breakdown and script writing. So now it has provided the whole story summary for us. Then we have the characters roster. Then we have full dialogue script, like how the story is gonna be, what are the scenes breakdown and everything, like try to align everything together before creating images and video prompts. Okay, so now once everything is broken down, in total we have 8 scenes right over here, and then it's gonna ask you question like, would you like to proceed directly into phase 3 image generation prompts JSON format? So yeah, I'm gonna go yes please, and then it's gonna go ahead and start generating phase 3 image generation prompts for you. And take a look at how detailed these prompts are, and yeah, they are in JSON format. And a lot of you guys were asking questions how we attain so much consistency, voice consistency, scene consistency. So everything is done by JSON prompting, because that basically provides you the whole style direction, the whole setting, action, camera angle, lighting, everything is constant over here. So that means in all of your scenes, you will be provided with absolutely consistency and everything. Okay, so now we have our image prompts as well as the phase 4 video prompts ready with us with just that one master prompt. And after that, we have phase 5 as well, which is SEO titles. So we have TikTok description, we have Instagram Reels description, we have YouTube Shorts description, then we have video, these were titles, then we have video description and hashtags, and then we have the thumbnail image prompt as well. Like, let's just say if you're done with everything, the images and videos, you have combined the video together, make it as one. So at the end, you can start generating your thumbnail, and now everything is ready with you. You have your whole video, you have your thumbnail, you have your titles and description. Now you are ready to upload it to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Okay, now let's just go ahead and test this out, whether these prompts are legit or not. So I basically selected one concept, I was testing it out, and this is how my result came out with. Be like, this was our scene 1, and for that it provided me with this image output. As you guys can see, looks absolutely perfect, kind of a SpongeBob theme AI fruit story. Then we have the second scene with Sandy and SpongeBob. Then we have the third scene, the fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and similarly we have all the scene 8 8 scenes ready with us. So now after that, I basically went ahead and test out the video prompts that we generated in this particular master prompt right over here. And for the videos, I chose the same good old method, the free method, which is using Google Flow, VEO3 or OmniFlash. Like, how you can do that, it's really simple. Google Flow basically provides you 50 credits every single day, which means if you use OmniFlash right over here in 10 seconds, it will use 15 credits. So which means 50 credits in total. So 15 credits for one video. Your one account will take it will generate 3 videos for you. So I basically used 3 accounts right over here to generate my whole video, as it was 8 scenes in total. So 3 accounts did the job for me. And let's just go ahead and check it out, how it basically turned out the video for me. Like, take a look at this.
Here, cuh, take some of this. I got way too much grub over here, cuh. You already know the code, cuh. Whoever gets rich first gotta put the whole team up, cuh. Appreciate you, cuh. On gang, I ain't never gonna forget this solid-ass move, cuh.
Yeah, that's absolutely perfect. You know how it has basically taken down, the voice as it is of the SpongeBob and, all the characters. And now we have this as well.
How was that shift, cuh? You look beat as hell, cuh.
Shit was tough, cuh. My back is straight shot, cuh. But we gotta keep grinding, cuh.
Yeah, that turned out really, really good as well. So yeah, after we are done with all the videos and everything, you can simply go ahead and download them one by one. And once your video is downloaded with you, you need to go ahead and simply combine everything together, in one go. Simply input your background music, like I chose this one. So yeah, that's TikTok classic one. Everybody know this music. And after combining all the clips together, let me just show you the final output, how my video turned out, okay?
Here, cuh, take some of this. I got way too grub over here, cuh. You already know the code, cuh. Whoever gets rich first gotta put the whole team up, cuh. On gang, I ain't gonna forget this solid-ass move, cuh.
How was that shift, cuh? You look beat as hell, cuh.
Shit was tough, cuh. My back is straight shot, cuh. But we gotta keep grinding, cuh.
I'm real sorry, cuh. We ain't got a single thing left in the crib for your lunchbox tomorrow, cuh.
Don't even stress it, cuh. I can starve for a day, cuh. Pops, take my sandwich for work, cuh. Hell nah, little cuh. You need that for school, cuh. Your pop's gonna be straight, cuh. Go get them grades, cuh. Yo, cuh, throw an extra pretzel in the bag for my bro, cuh. He going through it right now, cuh.
Say less, cuh. We got more than enough food in this crib anyway, cuh.
Yo, cuh, my girl baked today. Cuh, you saved my life again, cuh. On my mama, I'm paying you back for all this shit one day, cuh. Yo, cuh, the new boss wanna see your ass in the office right now, cuh. Woo! Praying it ain't no bad news, cuh.
Listen, cuh, I'm officially bumping you up to construction manager, cuh.
On God, cuh, can I go tell Squidward the good news real quick, cuh?
Yeah, cuh, and while you at it, tell that boy he fired, cuh.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create these kind of very, viral, very amazing SpongeBob AI fruit videos without paying a single dollar, without going through all the prompting and everything. You can do literally all the steps with the help of just this one master prompt. So yeah, definitely you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link of this master prompt in the description, so do check it out. And if you have any questions, comment down below. If you have any video suggestions, you can comment down, or you can directly DM me on Instagram at aizenstudios.yt. Until then, take care, you guys. Bye bye.